Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you this beautiful Yamaha 252 SE that just arrived. Guys, what a great boat. Beautiful colors as well. It's got the mist gray hull side with the black bottom. Beautiful black rub rail with your stainless insert. Guys, a couple other features as you'll see up front. You've got your integrated docking lights, nav lights up front, pop-up cleats. Let's take a look at the back. All right guys, taking a look at the back of the 252 SE, you'll see the traditional Yamaha stern. Perfect spot for fellowship, hanging out, great for gathering, chilling on the water. You have two nice lounge seats, plenty of cup holders, freshwater shower, stereo remote controls right here as well. Excellent boarding ladder to climb aboard. Let's take a look at the inside. All right guys, welcome aboard the 252 SE. Starting in the bow, you'll see these great lounge seats. Guys, perfect for a full-size adult to spread their legs, stretch out. Nice cup holders, speakers up front. More cup holders as well. You'll see a nice step that goes up here. Anchor locker also has an additional bow ladder for boarding. Taking a look at the cockpit, guys, you'll see that this model has the side-by-side captain's chairs. Nice L-shaped bench that reaches around in the cockpit. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that this boat is your E-Series with all your digital throttles, push button starts, full-size connect screen, wireless charger, and all your other instrumentation. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.